Hi everyone, my name is Karin and I would like to talk to you about my upcoming workshop for dads about coming of age and menstrual well-being. So, what are we going to do in this workshop? In the first part, I would like to talk a bit or show you a map of nature cycles. How do those cycles interact and how do they affect and inform us? How can this map be used as a map of well-being? The focus points are coming of age, puberty, and menarche, which is the rite of passage of the first blood. And of course, we have a deeper look into the menstruation cycle and how does that cycle affect us women. We will as well explore questions like why are women grumpy when they bleed, and there is a very simple explanation to that, and the good news is it doesn't have to be like that. We also have a look about how can you dads support your daughters to cultivate a more positive attitude towards her moon time, towards her blood. So why are we doing this? Like, on one side, an average woman bleeds about 470 times in her life, which is a lot. And also the menstrual cycle has a huge health impact on us women. So whether we honor our cycles or not has a big impact on our well-being. In the second part, we're gonna have a sharing or talking circle where we talk about how was your puberty and what did you learn back then about being a man. And we will also bring some awareness to the big impact dads have onto their or in their daughter's life. So, this is a call to all you super dads out there, and I know if you are a dad and watching that you are a super dad. I invite you to come along on Saturday, June the 23rd. This workshop will be held in the afternoon, and tickets or ticket link can be found on my event page, that's Facebook event page, or you can find them on the stickytickets.com.au. So I'm looking forward to see you and explore all that together. Bye.